Hi everyone! I thought I'd share my new pen day and my new ink day little haul with you guys. I recently ordered this pen like literally 3 days ago, and it's here already. I ordered it from Goldspot pens, it's my first time ordering from them, and I'm happy. I didn't even realize they're in New Jersey, so that's with the fast shipping and everything. So I'm so excited to open this, but I just wanted to show you guys this little thing that they had inside the packaging. It's like a little magazine, or literally a Christmas catalog, where you can literally circle everything that you want, but for us stationary people. So it's got the prices too on the side, which is awesome. And it's like great beginnings, so like newbies, the best-selling pens, which is awesome. And this is great for like, again, like if you want to show your like a significant other like gift ideas and stuff, this is great. But this is also awesome for like journaling. So this one is Cozy Classics, and I'm loving all of this, like pocket pens and more modern marvels. Oh, here. And piston fill prowess. I don't know how you say that. Cozy Classics again. Oversized pens. Modern marvels again. And it's just so, I love the aesthetic of it. Inks, best-selling inks, which I love too. Okay. So, and then desktop delights, which I love. Might have to get this one. I don't like glass dip pens. I do not have very much luck with them, but for $15 I might try again. We'll see. But I love this little magazine. And then they have another one here, which I didn't open yet, but I guess it's like the same but more with colors. True Blue. Oh my god, I love this. Brown Sugar. Clear as Day. So I'll just be like, give this to my husband and be like, okay, anything here you can buy me. I love the clear one as well. Although I have problems with clear. I don't like when the ink is on the cap, and sometimes you can't clean it, or you're not cleaning it daily. Green with Envy is beautiful too. Apples to Oranges, love the name. Oh, Pink Pen Club, definitely want this as well. Purple Haze. Okay. Ink Different, love it. This is, I think, the same as the other one. And some Just In Case, which I love. So yeah, that was, I thought that was a cute little add-on to your package. I might cut some up, put them in my journal, we'll see. But let's get to the goodies. So I added a little ink. I didn't really realize how small this was gonna be, but it did say 5 ml. But I'm like, I don't know. So I picked this color because it's one of the colors of the pens, or the design of the pen. So I was gonna match it, but we will see, because I have a lot of it has a lot of colors, and I wanna see what other colors I can match it with. Alright, why is it so hard to open? So, this is like a 5 ml Colorverse. How cute is this? I had another Colorverse, and I don't know how many mls it was, but it's a little bit bigger than this, and I thought that's what I was gonna get, because I'm like, 5 mls? I don't know. I didn't really read the mls, I guess. I don't know. But this is super cute. I can't wait to swatch this. And it came with this little thing, which is cute as well. I'm sure the little hole is like tiny. Alright. Yeah, it's super tiny. But anyway, let's get to the most important part. So I was looking for a pen. It was like right after Fountain Pen Day. Don't ask me why I go shopping after the sale. But they were still having a lot of sales. So I was looking, it was either going to be an Esterbrook, and I'm like, I kind of want to try a different brand because I already have an Esterbrook. I know I love it, and there's so much brands out there that I'm still looking at, and I just, you know, want to try. And so I was looking at a Leonardo, which I definitely want to get, but the design and the nib was just not right. And then what was the other? I think I was looking at Colotinos, and it's always like a design or nib that was not right. And I'm very forgiving with a nib. I don't mind, like, okay, trying out a certain nib with a different brand, but it was the color of the nib or the style, whatever it was, I probably would not get a broad, you know, or probably wouldn't get like what do you call it, a stub, unless I already have a pen like that. Like, I don't want to spend $200 on a Leonardo with a stub nib, because I don't know, it's just, I'm probably never gonna use it except for specialty. I'm not gonna write with it daily, you know. So I came across this and I thought it was so beautiful. It was the last one on Goldspot pens, and I didn't even see it anywhere else. I think this is, oh yeah, it is Goldspot exclusive. So I had to grab it, and I got it on extra fine, because again, that was the only nib that was left, and I don't mind extra fine, you know. I actually prefer extra fine to medium. Okay, so let me go back. So this is the Nahvalur Cape May Diamond Goldspot exclusive, and I've seen this on Instagram, and I have it on my wish list because it's so pretty. But I don't have any Nahvalurs, and I'm excited to try it. And then I spoke to one of the girls who have one, and she was raving about it, so I jumped the gun and ordered it. So I'm very excited. Look how pretty the colors are. And if you guys don't know, I'm from New Jersey. I've been to Cape May several times, so it's actually like special that this is like a New Jersey pen and everything. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So I love the packaging. I love box packages. It has like a magnetic opening. Cute little narwhal. My daughter would love this. She's into unicorns, and narwhals are unicorns to her too. So yeah. And more covers. So this is just a warranty card, and oh, there she is. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. So here she is, with like a little rose gold. And look at all the pinks, orange and purples, magentas. It's so pretty. She's very comfortable to write with. I love the little opening, because I hate when I have to open the whole pen just to see if I'm out of ink or short on ink or whatever it is. Oh wait, is this this is a vacuum fill. Nice. So yeah, I'm excited. How cute is the nib here? It has a little narwhal. Can you see? With all the details, and This is, it says E on the side there. I don't know if you can see that, for extra fine. And I can't wait to color match it so you could see. So I'm excited. You could see that it's like see-through still, but you see the orange, the pink, the whites, and the whites like glow. I don't know if you can see that, and it's very pretty. Alright guys, so I got a couple of inks here that I think would be great matches for this pen. So it's like more pinkish purple and oranges that I see here. And yeah, let's get started. I'm using a Speedball B1 to swatch it, and a Pilot dip pen in medium to write the names. So the first one is Sailor Shikiori and Yozakura, which is like a pinky purple, I want to say, if I could remember correctly. So this is a great muted purple color. And go lower. So the next color is Diamond Sunset, which is like a bright orange. What's this here? So pretty. I love all my diamond inks. I don't have a lot of orange inked pen, so this might be a good contender.
Mama,
Yeah, baby.
this one?
You want that one?
No.
Okay. Trying to make it bigger. I'm used to doing the small circles. So in case you're wondering why I go back and do the dots, I feel like you see more if they're sheening or sparkles, you know, and stuff like that. So I go back and kind of put on a blob of ink in there. So, but all these inks are actually non-shimmer and maybe sheening, but this is an extra fine, so that's why I'm not gonna do any shimmering inks. The next ink is a little sample I got, which is Sailor Mano Evening Cherry. It's like a little, like purpley too. This is like a muted pinky purple. Very pretty. Next is the ink I bought with this pen, which I thought would be a nice bright magenta pink. I have a lot of magenta pinks, but it has like shimmers on them, so I didn't have one that didn't have I didn't have a one without the shimmer. So yes, baby. So this is Colorverse Light on Ceres, I guess that's how you say it, I'm not sure. Very pretty pink. Nice and bright. Looks like a great match. That's a beautiful ink. I feel like I want that color already, but we have other ones. So this one is, oh, I did this already. Sailor 237. I think it's like a pinky purple too. More pinkish, like a light pink. Definitely pinky purple. Love that. I have two more inks. This one, you know, I'm gonna do this one because it's an orange. This one is Sailor Afternoon Tea, which I got from a sample swap also. I think this is like a bright orange as well. Or muted orange. Beautiful muted orange. And last one is Wearing Gold Jane Eyre, which is a light purple, I believe. So pretty. I got this as a sample, but it's been on my wish list. Even though I'm not into purples like that. I guess I do have a lot of purples. I still think this color is beautiful. I'm so thankful for the ink swap friends I've had. You're also very, very generous, and it's like you can't buy a bottle for all these inks. You know what I mean? So I'm just so grateful for the community who shares their inks. Because you don't need that many inks, right? Even though we still buy it, buy the bottles. I mean, definitely. Well, I definitely have enough for me to last a while, very long while. No. All right. So that's it for the samples. I think they are so pretty. We'll see which color I end up with. Okay guys, so I decided to ink this beauty with the Colorverse Light Sans Serif. I thought it was a perfect match, and yeah, I thought another pink ink for me to use. So let's just kind of do like a writing sample here. It writes so well. I've actually was writing before it already, but I thought I'd film like a writing sample for you guys. So smooth, and it wrote right away. This is an extra fine nib. I might have to buy a bottle of this ink. It's also very comfortable in the hands, so that's nice. I was afraid it was going to be too big. swirls. So I'm trying to see if there's a little bit of flex I can do. And I can, if you see,
Mom?
yeah. So a little bit of flexibility there, which is nice. I always like that. And let me do like a little Bible verse for you guys. Let me see. So I love that, like the downstroke, you could definitely press a little bit harder and get that little, you know, that thicker lines. So there it is. Such a great match. And let me know if you're gonna get this pen, or if you have it and if you like it. All right, bye.